going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my dad, 2006 Toyota 4Runner. We're gonna do the front differential on my dad's 2006 Toyota 4Runner fluid change. So let's get started. All right, guys. On the front, we gotta remove the skid plate here. The drain, you can see the drain, or the fill right there. The drain, I assume, is gonna be behind the skid plate. So let's get it taken off. It's just a few bolts. One there on the other side, and then I think two up front. So I'll see what size and I'll let you know. All right, guys, they're 12 millimeters. So get a 12 millimeter socket and take them off. All right, guys, with the skid plate off, you can see it better. So this is the drain plug. Up in here, I can't really get it from this angle, but right there is the fill. So here's the drain. It looks like it's a Allen. So let me see if it's the same thing I used on my Tundra. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so it's 10. Same thing I used on my Tundra. I'll put it in the description, the part number, but you can see for the fill and the drain on the front diff. Huh?
The drain's on the back of it?
Yeah. Or the fill's on the back of it. If I can see it. Here it is. There it went. It ain't too dirty.
It's not.
No, it ain't. This drain probably will be. If I get my ratchet in there.
I might go. Isn't that an all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive that often?
The fill plug wasn't that dirty, is all I'm saying.
Oh.
I'm gonna need that cylinder back here.
With so many 4Runners, we see over there that a hell lot of 4Runners ain't money now.
Yeah, everybody buys 400 now, I think.
And then Grand Ford are bigger size now than when you used to be when first started.
Yeah, they are. Fuck, this one's tight. You can't get no leverage either. That's the problem. I think I bought this lifetime warranty wrench in case I break it.
You run that?
So I think I bought this wrench with a lifetime warranty in case I break it.
What, it's four? Or just
Ratchet.
Well, you got all kinds of money tied in tools of them shelves, don't you?
Yeah, I do. Ooh, I caught it that time.
Huh?
Caught the plug this time.
It's dirty.
We'll see. Alright guys, I got the front diff drain. That's dirty, and the fill out. Try to show you how dirty that is. Look at that. Due for a change. Alright guys, got the washers assembled. This one is the same on both sides. This copper one, this one's the same as the rear. So make sure you put the flat side towards the back of the nut.
Good job, good job. Oh, let's go sit down. Mm-hmm. She said she was on that concrete core again. That's really
No, threads in really deep. That drain plug.
You what?
That drain plug threads deep. That drain plug threads in really deep.
Oh, it goes in deeper in the back one?
Yeah, way deep. It's like double or triple the threads, probably.
What is it? Narrow thread?
Yeah. Alright, where's my torque wrench at?
Right on top of here.
Okay, come for it. Stop me, settle in.
Alright guys, you watched my other video. This will use 75W90, we're using Mobile 1. Alright guys, I got the drain plug back in. I'm going to torque it to 30 foot-pounds.
Why aren't you going in the hole? Oh no, that ain't right. Hate this thing. It's too long.
Right hand shake.
Alright guys, I got the plugs all back in there. I don't know if you can see it right up there. It's in, the fills down there, they're both in. So we're done. Put that skid plate back on and then we're good to go. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, let me know in the comments what you think. Have a great night.